How to remix a snap on Snapchat using the latest Remix Snap feature. This feature lets you react to a friend's snap or story by recording your own photo or video alongside or after the original snap. To get started, open the Snapchat app and open the snap, story, or chat media that you want to remix. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner or press and hold the snap if that option is available. Then tap Remix Snap. You'll now see different remix styles, such as with snap or after snap, depending on your app version. Choose the style you prefer, then record your own photo or video to create the remix. After recording, you can customize your remix by adding text, stickers, filters, or other creative effects before sending it. Once you're happy with the result, tap the Send button to share it. If you don't see the Remix Snap option, make sure you're using the latest version of Snapchat, as the feature may not be available for every snap or account. And that's it. That's how you can remix a snap on Snapchat using the latest remix feature. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Snapchat tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.